This book is called Fun with Colors, and it focuses on the color green. Let's take a look at some of the things that are green. This animal is a frog. This frog is green. This is a green frog. This is a tractor. A tractor works on a farm. This is a green tractor. This is grass. This is green grass. The grass is green. This is a bug. You could say bug or insect. This is a green bug. This bug, this insect, is green. This is a pepper. It is a jalapeno pepper. This pepper is green. It is a green jalapeno pepper. This is a traffic light. This traffic light is green. When the light is green, you can drive.